Hello friends, welcome back to Novir Geometric JS Learning channel. Today we are going to see how to download this Survey of India topo sheet or topographical maps of 1:50,000 scale from Survey of India Nakshe portal. So many of us don't know that they are available free of cost to download right from 2017. So almost 3 years back it was started, but many of us still not aware, and that's why I decided to make a video on this, which will be useful for many of the researchers, scholars and professionals in GIS and geography fields. So I have opened the Chrome browser. In that I have opened the google.com, and just I will share in the Google Nakshe portal, and then I will enter. So this is the portal website, soinakshe.uk.gov.in. Just click on this. So this website will appear, and in that there are options. Manchitra. So topo sheet is called in Hindi Manchitra, and another option is there, map transaction registry, in which the data is available but we have to pay for them. So this is the paid data here, and these site topo sheet are available free of cost. So we will go for the free option because we want to download the topo sheets. So if you have the account, you can directly log in. Otherwise I'll click on new user because I don't have the account, or you may occur this issue, so that I will click new user to show you how to register. So to register, just enter your mobile number, whatever. My mobile number is this, I have entered it, and just click on get OTP. So on our mobile OTP will come, and then that I have to enter here. So I will enter the OTP, and then I will click on verify OTP. Now next it will ask you to enter your email ID. So I will enter my email ID. And again click on verify email. So it will send a link for the verification. So I will open Gmail in a new tab. Here it is Gmail, or you can also open in the new tab. So see, verification link for password to register SY Nakshe portal. So this is the link, just we have to click on it. Now we have to set the password in this particular next step. Enter password. So password conditions are like that. Password must contain minimum 8 characters, at least one uppercase alphabet, lowercase alphabet, one number and one special characteristic. So any way you can do that. Like suppose I am setting a password which can match requirements. And I will click on set password. So it is it has given me the message that password set successfully. So say OK. Now I will go to home, login. It is not showing the login with login. So I click on login. Then I will enter my mobile number here. I will enter my password, whatever I have saved, and I will enter the captcha. So it is FD, capital FD, triple F, and I will click on login. So my account is created my password is set, and now I am logged in with my account. So here is the dashboard. So since I have not downloaded anything yet, so it will be 0 here. Total downloads, device report downloaded today, whatever. So I will show nothing because I haven't downloaded anything right now. So here we have to click on download map. So there are two options to search on the Nakshe portal. One is if you know the sheet number. Sheet number means topo sheet index number like 47F16. So likewise we can search by sheet number, or there is another option, geographical search. So geographical search is easy because many of us don't know exact sheet number of our area. So I will click on geographical search. This we have to put the area name, and so first we have to select the state. Suppose I will want to download from Maharashtra state, and in that suppose I want to download for Pune district, and locality suppose say Pune city, suppose it is there, Pune city. So other localities like Anandi, Lohgaon, whatever. So I click on that and I will click on search. Now since it is a city, it has only one output. Suppose I want to download for whole of the Pune district, what I will do, I will select these localities, whatever we have taken it, I will just select that, delete it from keyboard delete option, and I will click on search again. So all the topo sheets that covers the Pune district will appear. So such way also you can download if you want to download for the district. So again I will do Pune city and search. So it will give me only one result. So OSM number, OSM index number is separately given. Then this is 47F14 is our SOI sorry SOI का जो standard indexing system है. So it is that index number, and edition is first, publication is very recent because many of the topo sheets are older also, like 1979 and all, but it is a recent one, 2011. We can view the metadata. Metadata is the data about data. So it will show you the administrative district, administrative details like Maharashtra is the state, district, Pune, tehsils, whatever tehsils are covered, and edition and all. Okay? And it will also show you the lat longs and extent of the topo sheet. Like minimum longitude is 73.75 and maximum 74 degree longitude east, and minimum latitude is 18.50 and maximum is 18.75. So likewise this is the metadata. You can close it, and if I want to download the map, here is the option. We have to click on privacy policy. So I click on that. I have clicked. So this is the message appears. I will just check this box and will click on OK. And next we get the option of the downloading. Green button will appear of download. I just click on download, and the size is given 4.42 megabytes. So it is a smaller one. So I have clicked on download button and it is working. So it will ask where to save it. I will just go to desktop. I have a folder behind it. I will make a folder of topo sheet, and just I'll double click on that and give the name 47F14 itself, and you can save. So it is being saved on my whatever chosen folder. So it has downloaded. Since it is in PDF form, we'll open it. So the file is password protected. It is our mobile number. I'll try. I'll enter my password as a mobile number of mine. Whatever I registered, yes, it is there. So the password, in password we have to enter our mobile number, which is used by creating the account. So this particular topo sheet I have downloaded from Lakshya Paper very easily, and here it is the new one. That's why the look is very different than previous topo sheets. There it is, the index of the symbols, signs and symbols. There it is the index of surrounding index number of the topo sheets, and this is given the OSM number, Open Series Map it is called. So this is the topo sheet, but since it is in PDF form, if we want to use this in a GIS, we have to have it in other format like JPG and all. So I will just show you how to convert it to JPG. Just click on PDF to JPG converter, and my website is there, ilovepdf.com. Just I will click on that. It gives good results. So select PDF, click on select PDF files here, and just go to the file where you save it, give it, and click on convert to JPG. So file first will get uploaded, and afterwards it will be converted to JPG file. So it is password protected, so it will ask you to enter the password, which is our mobile number. So I have entered it and click on save. So it is been converted. It has converted, and just click on download JPG. So again I will save it in my folder. It has been saved. So after converting to JPG, we can easily put it in any GIS software to use further for any analysis. Like we will use it for georeferencing purpose. Then we can digitize on mute and all. So such way, very easily we can use this Lakshya portal to download Survey of India map very easily, topographical maps. Thank you so much, friends. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and share it. Thank you so much, friends.